Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the United States. Welcome to my channel, everybody. So I am currently still working on those paper pumpkin alternative videos. I have actually spent the last 2.5 hours prepping for 5 videos. Yeah, kind of crazy. My phone died. I was like, okay. I couldn't call anybody. I couldn't do anything. So I sat here and I prepped for video. So I guess tonight, while my husband is taking Hank again to football practice, I'll be recording videos. I doubt if I'll get all 5 done, but I'll get a good portion of them done, I think. I think I'm going to be able to get 2 more before I have to leave. And I have to run to the library, then run to the school. And anyways, that's my crazy day. So anyways, October 2024's Paper Pumpkin Alternative Video number 11. It's prepped. It's an easy one. These next, I don't think any of these are really hard. Ideas kept going, so I just kept rolling with it, right? That's kind of how it goes sometimes. Me and little TT out here. She's snuggled up like a bug in a rug over there in her donut bed. So this is a look at the kit. You got to make 10 cards, but you only got to make 2 of each design, and they were trifold. So this design and this design. And this QR code will lead you to a video to show you how to put the cards together as they were designed. I can't show you the dies because they're underneath stuff for video number 5, but this QR code will lead you to how to purchase these 3 dies that coordinate with October, November, and December, a visual of everything in the kit, and then the list of coordinating colors. Now videos 1 through 5, I show you everything that's in the kit. So here we go. We have the evergreen branch, the speckles, the little cardinal, Merry and Christmas, the salmon, berries, or eggs. Happy holidays, joyful thoughts to you this season. That being done, we're going to move right along with this. So what do we have here? Well, my note, video number 11. We're going to save the post-it note because I might be able to use that for something. If it gets too much on here, we'll just move along with it. So we have a card base. And you're going to see I already did some prep work. So, you know, struggling to use this part of the card base, but I think I found a use for it. So I already did layer number. So we have a white card base, 4 by 5 1/4. If mine looks a little narrower, it's just a pre-made card base, but please, I just put the descriptions in for the regular size card base. So there we have it. So this is that rectangle piece that is from the punch out of the, let me show you. From this piece here, this piece that you punch out, that's what that rectangle piece is. We're going to use it. We're going to use the sentiment. Now we're going to be cutting off some with the guillotine, and we're going to be using these birds. Now it looks like 3 pieces, but what it really is I went and I cut this off here that was attached in here like so somehow. These 2 were attached and I cut them apart, right? And now I have, those were 1 piece, but now I have 3 pieces and I like it much better. First thing we're going to do is stamp Happy Holidays. Why Happy Holidays? Because it fits better. And we're going to go with real red on this. I'm looking for the coaster. Come on, don't fail me now. Oh, there it is. I did put it up. Scoot that aside. So Happy Holidays. And we want to get it as close to the right-hand side as possible. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and stamp the inside of our card as well. I already glued this piece down, and on the inside, hopefully we can open it. We're going to do just joyful thoughts to you this season. Then we're going to bring in because I just can't leave well enough alone. We're going to do that little evergreen branch in shaded spruce. And I have a cord dangling from my phone. Maybe I should tuck that up there. We're just going to add a little bit there and a little bit here. And of course, we need to stamp on our envelope. So we're going to go ahead and do the evergreen branch right here. And then because we just stamped, go ahead and stamp it down in the bottom. And then I am going to use the good old Merry Christmas from October 2020's Paper Pumpkin Kit because it's all together. And I don't have to worry about stamping it, you know, twice. So that is all done. Everything is done now. We can close it all up. There's 1, 2. Just going to move the inked up blocks up and out of the way. That is a little wonky, isn't it? Oh, it's going to work. I'm not going to let it affect me. Yes, I am. I'm not going to let it affect me. Oh, yes, I am. Yeah, I am. But I can't do that. They gave us extra. It's all right. Back to this. We're just going to have to take this off so we can actually see it. And we want the real red again. And the Happy Holidays. And we're going to try again as I ink up my thumb. Much better. Much better. Am I going to let it bother me? Yeah, I was. just kind of how it worked. It worked out there. So we're going to take the guillotine and we're going to chop off that excess bit. Oh, you know what we could do? Let me grab that back. We can use it to bump up this piece. So, well, we'll do that in a minute. We're going to chop that off. Then we're going to glue these together. So it wasn't a total waste, right? And we don't need the guillotine. We can just use, now that we have a guide, there we have it. And we might use those to bump up the birds because I really was keeping this totally flat. So now this piece is going to get glued down in the center. Like I said, the next ones are going to be fairly quick, simple cards to do. It's what happens when you get stuck without anything. I could have trimmed this down to fit this size card base, but I wasn't going to bother with that either because it looks just fine to me. So Happy Holidays. It's going to go right up here. All right, so our wee little birdies. So what we're going to do is bring this one down like so. And this piece now is going to come down here. It just, I think it gives it, actually, I think we're going to center it. Yes, that is perfect. Don't move, right? Don't move. That's perfect. This one is going to get glued down. Don't move. Don't move. This one's going to get glued down. we're going to keep him there. See that? We're just extended. We just moved this branch from being up here. I just liked, I know there's a little open space there, but I can't help it. I liked it so much better. I just do. I mean, we could stamp the little branch. Let's see, where's that little branch at? If it bugs you, we can stamp this little branch right there. Because, yeah, you can tell it might be starting to bug me. So we may need to fill in a little space right there. Just like right here. Just like that. So that when he's here, see that? And then see how this is dark there? I am going to take, not that pen. We want a thin one. This is a 3. I know I have an 8, which is a smaller measurement. I think the 8's going to work. The other one just isn't. So we're just going to kind of make it look like the other one a bit. And then I'm going to add some black Wink Stella into the branches like the other one has it. I'm going to hold this up for you guys. I mean, you don't have to do all this, but we might as well Wink Stella the lashes on the branches. And we're going to do our little bird. Right. Oh, TT is happy. She does love to be out here with me. My faithful little companion. She just happy dancing, little prances her little self out here in the mornings. Wish I could do my eyelashes like this easily. Oh, cannot do that to my eyelashes. So let's do this, his little head. Oops. All right. So there's my little green branch. And when you put that guy in there, you know, he's going to look, it's just going to be something I'm thinking, do I need to add a little bit more shading to it? I could stamp off and then fill in some there. There, I'm going to leave it alone now because I could really like ruin it totally. Totally ruin it. All right, let's get this back on track. This one is going to get popped up just a hair with these pieces. So we're just going to maneuver these inside that space. Hopefully we get it in there like here. And then this one can sit right on top of this one. And then we're going to put the glue on this. And looky there. There is our card. Now, I am going to add some snowflakey. Where did they go? I had them out. Oh, here they are. They're on the other one too. I was like using these because they're flat. And this card is all about being flat today. So here we go. We're just going to add some wee little like snowflakes in here. One, two, three, four. I don't know. I can add as many as I want, truly. Oops, that one didn't want to play nicely. Oh, or maybe it did. I don't know. There's that space there. Maybe I'll add a branch. I don't think so, though. So, 1, 2. We need one like up in here, maybe. Though I really don't want any off of the green. So, there. Where did it go? I thought I just put it right. Oh, it's on my finger. That one just doesn't want to play. So we'll just put it back there. It just doesn't want to cooperate. So we're going to put one like right here and one right up in there. So there's our card. Simple, sweet, whole bunch of little snowflakes. Joyful thoughts to you this season, and our envelope is done, and this is going on to video number 14. So this is video number 11, and I think I'm going to get right on to video number 12. Yeah, we can do this, hopefully. And I hope you guys like this one. So if you guys are not subscribed and you enjoy my videos, would you consider subscribing, as it really does help me out. It gets my videos played. So thank you all so very much. Thank you to everybody who comments. And thank you, even if you don't, and you just sit back and you watch my videos on your TVs, your tablets. You all are great. I thoroughly just absolutely love doing this. I love sharing my love of paper crafting with you. It makes my life so enjoyable, and that wouldn't be possible without this ability to share it with you. So thank you so very much, and please come back and visit me in my wonderland. Bye bye for now, everybody.